Good morning everyone. Today I would like to start a new topic about plant cell. Every cell and every organism is made up of small units which are known as structural and functional unit of life. These small units are known as cell. Cells are present in every living organism like plant cell, animal cell and every microorganism. Based on their structure, they can be differentiated into eukaryotic and prokaryotic cell. Today I would like to start and teach about a typical plant cell wall. This is a 3D model of a plant cell. The plant cell usually contains a cell wall which is not present in animal cell. The plant cell wall contains cellulose and polysaccharides which are usually responsible for its formation. The plant cell protects the whole cell from the external environment surroundings and prevents the entry and exit of hazardous and toxic substances into the cell. The cell wall, apart from this, the plant cell also contains a cell membrane which is also known as plasma membrane, which is selectively permeable. This selectively permeable membrane protects the entry and exit of toxic substances from external surroundings of cell and allow only a few substances to enter and exit from the cell. Now we will talk about the cell organelles present in a plant cell. There are various cell organelles present in cell wall. First of all, we will talk about nucleus. Nucleus is the main brain of the cell. Nucleus contains DNA, which are the genetic material of cell responsible for the transformation and mechanism of genes and chromosomes. Nucleus also contains nuclear membrane. Apart from this, a typical plant cell wall also contains various cell organelles like plastids and chloroplasts. Plastids contain chloroplast, which is responsible for the autotrophic mechanism and photosynthesis occurring in the plant cell wall. Apart from this, a plant cell wall also contains lysosomes, which are suicidal beds of the whole cell and responsible for the waste disposal of cell. Apart from lysosomes, there are few cell organelles also present like mitochondria, which is known as the powerhouse of the cell because it forms the ATP or the energy currency of cell. A typical plant cell wall also contains other cell organelles like vacuoles, which are responsible for its storage, and it also stores the different substances in cell, which can be used further as well. A plant cell also contains small globular-like structures known as lysosomes and ribosomes. Ribosomes are the site of protein synthesis, which are responsible for the formation of proteins and amino acids. A plant cell usually contains cell wall which is not present in animal cell. So this is the whole diagram and 3D model of plant cell. Thank you everyone.